Hello people, I start a new season of videos, and today I'm just showing my life. It's 5 in the morning, so some coffee, and today I'm gonna weld this bed, maybe make some ordnung, and yeah, so see you later. Okay, since I have this morning coffee, I will make some advertisement. I wrote a book. The reason I was writing it was because I was going crazy, like positively crazy, what actually finished not so positively, but anyway. And I kind of was too fast at that moment, and my friends told me, you know, maybe you should write because we kind of cannot follow you. And so I started to write, and well, it's some kind of nonsense, but actually nonsense is a little bit maybe fashionable now, I don't know. And so I make this advertisement. It's pure self-release, kind of something like this, sometimes a little bit more text, sometimes split. It's called The Code. So if you want to code yourself to get some pleasure in life, lose all this indignant attitude, complaining and whatever, so you can code yourself, and I will read something, well, not from the beginning, but let's say, let's see here. Freedom is a tricky idea. Great luck, it belongs to us. Just luck never rests long in being belonged. The most Sisyphus task you can observe in parents is the grotesque failure of persuading the children that there is future. For children, there is no future. And we read these words as a bitter prophecy. Children is our future. Words are names of dwarfs who are famous for their stubbornness and disagreements. That's why usually we are in quite shitty situation, but the past is glorious. Okay, the deer was running, but I didn't have, like I was not in a time to film. So, okay, it's not so beautiful in the movie, but I am watching this beautiful sunset and getting pleasure of doing it. So the day is starting, and soon I am starting. Okay, I started to work already, spachteling the table. So I hope it doesn't rain today, because yeah. Okay, darkness. I don't know if you can hear it, but first birds. I wonder which actually birds they are. It's my new activity, trying to learn birds. You know, I know crow. I know Garulus Glandarius. Okay, I don't know how he sings, but whatever. I know Bubo Bubo. And some more, but actually birds, it's like kind of interesting creatures. And but anyway, so I will do this little advertisements of my book, and it goes like this. Questions of black, white, 0-1, good, bad, should be treated like this. Is it still Pink Floyd, or is it already Deep Purple? and vice versa. Problem of Pink Floyd, they don't need no education. Problem of the Purple, they smoke on the water. There's also some short stories. One hunter who lived long time alone in Tian Shan once told us a story about mountain goats. The hunter persecutes the mountain goat who mysteriously feels the distance of a shot. So each time the hunter aims his gun to the goat, in the last moment before the shot, goat jumps up. The hunter is overwhelmed by a hazard to get his goat, so he climbs up as well. And the scenario repeats again. In such a way, goat allures the hunter to climb higher and higher, and the hunter, obsessed by the ardor, always climbs up and forgets that he also needs to check a bit how he's going to climb down, because that is usually harder. And when the moment comes, then goat disappears somewhere, and hunter realizes that he cannot climb down without wrecking himself. Many hunters have perished like this. Okay, so now the little pieces are in the place. No, not exactly in the place, but more or less. So now I will prepare for welding. So I prepared I'm prepared for welding, and I'm just gonna point them here at the corner, here, here. So let's do welding. The problem of identity. Identity would have much less problems if elder, or is it younger, brother, how big he is, of identification, would not want to play with the same toys also. And anyway, when time comes to tidy the toys, Both kids prefer migration. Is it another problem, or can we leave it here? Okay, it's welded, and now is the boring part. I don't know in English, schlag. Now, with the light movement of the hand, hammering. Now, solid gold. I hope when it works, it works. We need to hammer. So, I guess here should be a table. I have a friend. Once he appeared certain circumstance. Some peculiar reason was forcing him to make a credit card. So I guess he was following a healthy logic. He went to the bank. The woman at the window was astonished. How were you able to survive so long without a credit card? The answer was, easy. So, I was cutting the... because yeah, now it's after winter, you need to hammer a bit these locks. So yeah, I should apply some solidol or some whatever, grease it. And basically the idea is, the idea is, okay, here will be a box that you could put it and you could sit it. And the idea is, I just don't know how it works yet, but that you can screw it here, so you have all this space. Okay, you lose here about 15 centimeters, but if you really need this place, you can just unscrew this bed, which is not so hard. So so basically, yeah, it's this size, and okay, here will be some plywood and some mattress. 2 pieces of mattress. So now I'm gonna make the legs for a table, and I thought that this table should be movable, but actually 65 centimeter here, it's quite okay. I guess I will make it stationary, that you can just unscrew it. So okay, the table. Also, in this book there is some dialogues, because I had some correspondence with one famous artist. I don't know if he wants to be mentioned, but anyway, he wrote me some cool stuff. I was asking him, what about we? Because there was like this dialogue about, you know, they. We sometimes say, like, you know, they do this and they do that, and what is this they? What is the subject? And I said, maybe, you know, there's no they. And then I asked about we. What about we? Maybe there's no we either. What he said was, no, we are. But we consist of smithereens, and these fragments are in constant strife, brawl, and quarrel with each other. Therefore, no I does exist. Instead of I, there is a need of an idea, and maybe something else is needed. For example, a letter. This is another cool machine. Drilling machine, old school. So let's drill something. Top 5. Problem of cereals. in the problem of cereals, we cannot do without Carl Schmidt. Schmidt is not a problem. Problem is cereals. Yes, sir. So, table is finished. No diagonal things, so it's a little bit shaky. But maybe I'll do something later. We'll see. But it's, I don't know, not so bad. Like, you know. So, now let's check how it's gonna work. How it's gonna work. This is the problem. And yeah, how to make this it don't fall. batteries actually don't need this. And oops. Oh. Okay. So now okay, yeah, there's a little bit these tricks. Okay, when it's gonna be mattress, it's gonna be easy. Okay, this is important. It works. So when you do, okay, this. Yeah, but these are falling out. This is not funny. I'll have to check. Okay. For a moment, just this. Okay, now the boring part. Take everything apart and paint and yeah. Okay. So probably I'm gonna put already this video, so because it will take some time till the paint is dry. Okay, I'd like later make this something. So that's about it. Ciao. Problem of legal. The legal has not so much problem with legal as it has with illegal. Ha, no big deal. State of exception here, state of deception there. But the legal and the illegal has a gorgeous problem with the third not so clever brother, Scheißegal. So, I'm ending my day, getting pleasure. I got a bit sick, but as I felt already a few days, it's coming. So, ciao again, and be without care.